For those of you who haven't turned in these two summary response entries that were due on November 16th last week, this video is for you. The two summary response entries that you turn in here will go directly into your long annotated bibliography. These ones here should be of background sources. And if you read this page here and watch the video that I made, you'll see how to use the library databases to find great background sources. Let me just show you in a couple clicks. You click on the library icon, you go to articles and databases, and you're going to use Gale eBooks and CQ Researcher. See, it says background reading here. So for these two summary responses, you will use the web and these two databases. Let me go back to that web piece in just a second. But I want to say before leaving here that this week or last week, to complete your long annotated bibliography, you'll be doing in-depth research using EBSCO databases and Gale databases over here. So let me go back to, all right, so back at week 11. So this page is the one I just showed you, how to use the library databases to do background research, and this one is about how to use the web, how to make sure that the articles you find on the web are authoritative and credible and such. So the idea was that during week 11, you were supposed to find 4 citations of background sources on your research topic, and those 4 citations then would be one element of this discussion post. So the 4 citations, 2 would be from the library databases and 2 would be from web sources, and then you'd pick the best of those 4 to summarize and respond to for this assignment here. And I'll repeat the salient point that these 2 summary responses then go directly into your long annotated bibliography, along with 2 additional sources of in-depth articles that you should have found in week 12.